AI and financial education after 50. Three smart ways to use AI without risking your money. Artificial intelligence is changing how we search for information, manage your finances, and make everyday decisions. But after 50, protecting your saving is just as important as growing them. AI can be a powerful assistant, but it should never replace your own judgment. Welcome to AI and Financial Education After 50. On this channel, we simplify technology and personal finance so you can make informed decisions with confidence. Today, let's look at three practical rules for using AI safely. Rule number one, verify before you trust. AI can explain financial concepts, compare investment options, and summarize articles, but it can also make mistakes or provide outdated information. Before acting on any advice, verify it using official company websites, government resources, or a qualified financial professional. AI is a starting point for research, not the final answer. Rule number two, protect your personal information. Never enter passwords, social security numbers, bank accounts detail, credit card numbers, or one-time verification codes into an AI chatbot. If you want budgeting help, use rounded numbers instead of real account information. Protecting your privacy is one of the smartest financial habits you can develop. Rule number three, slow down big decisions. Scammers often create urgency by claiming an investment opportunity is about to disappear or that your account will be locked. Use AI to help you understand the message, identify warning signs, and prepare questions, but always pause before sending money or sharing information. AI is an excellent learning tool when used responsibly. Let it help you ask better questions, understand financial topics, and organize your ideas. But keep the final decisions in your hands. A few extra minutes of research today can protect your saving for years to come. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more practical AI and financial education after 50.
After 50, protect your money by using a separate card for online purchases. It limits the damage if your information is stolen.